Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, June 13th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by about 7 points. Right now, futures are trading at 20.89 and a quarter per contract. We did have a terrible incident happen over the weekend in Orlando, Florida. There was a mass shooting. Looks like it is a terrorist attack. Either way, our prayers go out to the families and the victims of that horrific event. And it's just a shame that things have to happen like that in 2016. But it's just an absolute terrible incident, and we'll see what comes of it as more information comes in. But either way, terrible event. Right off the bat, though, we have some stocks in the news, and we want to start the day off with LinkedIn, LNKD. It looks like this is being bought out by Microsoft. It looks like Microsoft offered $196 a share. Right now, the stock is trading at $194 and a quarter. So great move there. Microsoft stock itself is not moving all that much. You can see that is trading at $50.11. Closed at 51.48. So it is trading down a buck and change now off the news, and that is normally the case. The acquiring company, the company that is doing the buyout, will get hit. Meanwhile, the company that's being acquired will move up, and that's just natural. Now, in sympathy to Microsoft buying LinkedIn, you may want to look over here at Twitter, TWTR. Twitter is holding up pretty nicely. You could see a big pop. Stock almost got to 15 this morning before retreating. Right now sitting at 14.59, but that is a good move by Twitter. Twitter will probably trade higher today in sympathy, so we'll see how that plays out. Also, if you take a look here, Salesforce, CRM, that could be trading lower, and that is. Look at that. Salesforce trading lower on the news because Microsoft has been rumored for forever to be buying Salesforce, and it looks like with the big purchase of LinkedIn, those odds of them buying Salesforce go down, and you can see Salesforce trading lower. Keep on watch today, $76.31 for Salesforce. If it gets there, I think that's going to be a good level today. So 76.30 is where I would be an intraday buyer in Salesforce if the stock trades down toward that level. Keep that on watch today. But Salesforce trading down after the Microsoft LinkedIn news, and LinkedIn soaring and roaring. You also might want to watch Yelp. That might get a little bit of a bid, and sure enough, it did. I don't really like Yelp here or at any level. I just don't think there's a lot of upside to this name. But nonetheless, it is up in sympathy to that Microsoft purchase of LinkedIn. All right, let's take a look at some other stocks. Smith & Wesson, SWHC, in the news today. Here we go. Yeah, good little pop there. Stock closed at 21.41, trading at basically $22.98, $23 at the moment. Did trade as high as $23.50. Anytime you get a shooting or anything like that, people think guns are going to be restricted, so Smith & Wesson will get a bid. Also, Strum Ruger could also get a bid, and sure enough, that is up a little bit as well. Stock closed at $57.41. It is trading at $59.89 this morning. So Strum Ruger and Smith & Wesson both trading higher. I don't have any specific levels on these right now, but we will look at them once the opening bell rings. It looks like Valiant is catching a bid today. VRX is the ticker symbol there. Looks like the CEO purchased $4.9 million worth of stock. So you got the new CEO, Joe Papa, in place. It looks like he bought some stock there. Stock closed at $24.14 on Friday, now trading at $24.82. So you're getting a little bit of a pop there. There's not much in the way of pattern for this one, as far as I could see. So we got to just sit tight. Looks like Symantec is in the news as well. Looks like they're going to buy Blue Coat. And they're the number one, I believe, web security service out there. So Symantec buying Blue Coat. That stock is trading higher, almost right underneath the $18 level. That's an oversold condition. So you got to watch for a lot of resistance here between 18 and 18 and a quarter. Let's take a look here at a lot of these banks in Europe. Deutsche Bank getting hammered this morning. Stock is trading at 15.24, closed at 15.74. So Deutsche Bank continues to fall, and all the European bank stocks this morning are under pressure. Credit Suisse trading at 12.10. Stock closed at 12.43. And then you have UBS trading lower as well. 1404 is what its current price is. The stock closed at 1433, so that's really under pressure. So again, we are seeing weakness in Europe, European banks, and overnight we saw a lot of weakness in China and Japan. So again, Shanghai Composite down over 3% last night. I believe the Nikkei was down over 3% as well. Those are ugly, ugly sell-offs, and that's reflecting the Friday move in the U.S. market. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold futures right now trading up $13.60, and we'll go to the GLD. You're going to see that is trading up at 122.90. So good pop for gold. Gold continues to hold up very well and might even have a little bit more upside on the daily chart. Let's take a look here at the crude oil market. Crude oil futures trading down 81 cents. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that is taking a bit of a hit, trading down at 11.70, closed at 11.87, and really it's had a great fall from the high here, I believe on June 8th. So again, crude oil continues to tumble over. All right, I think we covered everything that we wanted to get through this morning. Again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing. Get to follow our desktop live, and you can see all of our trades. We had an excellent Friday, and we're going to look to make that an excellent Monday morning. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.